We worked with Gwynedd Council to install Wi-Fi in towns across Gwynedd, which provides free broadband to visitors. Everyone that logs onto the system will also receive a newsletter from that town. However, we are also using the technology to make our town smarter and enable businesses to make informed choices. We have installed presence software that allows us to monitor footfalls in the towns. The system, which we have called Patrwm, counts the number of digital devices in the area and can provide invaluable data on how busy or not a town is at any one time. This system will allow towns to monitor how busy their high street is over a year and look for any patterns or trends. Here in Pwllheli, it is very obvious when the recent lockdown ended, as visitor numbers jumped in the second week of July. It will also allow towns to monitor the impact of events, campaigns or even the weather on footfall. Examples would be monitoring the impact of free parking on visitor numbers or introducing pedestrian areas. We see the Patrwm as an important tool for the high street that is facing challenging times. Over coming years, we hope to develop Patrwm to provide more and more valuable information to ensure our towns are smart towns.